How to remove app lock password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to remove app lock password. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch settings application. Scroll down. Navigate to privacy. Select that. Tap privacy option next to permissions. Now choose app lock under privacy protection. Enter your privacy password to access app lock section. Make sure to turn on the button for app lock. Now tap on locked next to all. Here you will see a list of all the applications that you have logged. To remove app lock password, simply turn off the button for Instagram app lock. Now there won't be any lock when you access Instagram or any other application that you have locked, and in this way you will successfully remove app lock password. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.